Welcome to Learn How to Dance Bachata, the beginner's complete course, where you will learn all of the tools and basics to help you on your path to becoming a confident dancer. My name is Dimitri Rosario, and I will be leading you through the course. I will be assisted by my partner Nicole Thompson, who will help the followers with demonstrations, technique, and lady styling. I have broken down this course into 3 simple sections, and as a whole it will contain all you need to know as a beginner dancer. The method I teach in this course will help students learn the elements of dance that are easy to learn. When these elements are added together, they create patterns and transitions into new moves. You will also be learning combinations in this course, and I will guide you step by step. So instead of learning the move, you will learn the proper technique and examples of common mistakes of what not to do. By the end of this course, you will know and be comfortable with the most common basic steps and turns used in bachata, learn the proper technique for lead and follow, and be provided with combinations and tips to help you along the way. My goal is to make you confident and comfortable so you can start dancing right away. Feel free to look through the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.